Welcome to the Quick Start Guide. So as soon as you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is add some team members. You can just add 2, 3, 4, or as many as you want just to get going. Okay, so I'll add 2 and save. You'll come to the complete profile section. So you'll just put in your team's email addresses. Now, your team will not receive invites to their portals until you add them to their first project. So the billing currency, this is what currency you'll normally invoice the clients for this team member. Don't worry, you can change all of this later. The billing rate is how much you're going to bill this person out per hour. The employment type is I'm going to set as employee. Now you can use the autofill sections at the top to very quickly complete this section. You can do the pay currency. So this is the currency that you're going to pay the team member in. And then the pay rate is how much you pay them per hour, and save. So this has just created profiles for the 2 people you've added. Next, you want to add a client or a project. So just quickly, and I'm just going to move my head, and let's have a client, Salesforce, who are located in the United States. The project name is a CRM. You can leave it as not started. Select the start date, let's say last week, and you can select an end date for the project if you know, or you can just say the project is ongoing. Then you'll be taken to the project preview screen, where the first thing you have to do is add your team members, and we'll automatically set the date joined, and we'll allocate them for the amount of time per week they're going to be working on this client project. Once you've added your team members, you simply turn timesheets on, and there's another help file which will tell you more about the billing settings, but for now I'm just going to use a few basic details and or just general software development. Okay, done. So this is the creation of a project, and you've added your team members. Now, when the timesheets were turned on, here we go. When the timesheets were turned on, these team members have now received an email invite to their portals for them to start adding time to this project. Once they start submitting time, you'll start receiving it in the pending approval, and you can also see it in the summary. But there's another help file showing you how the timesheets and how the reports work. But to get started, that's all you have to do is add your team and add your projects. If you want to invite your other managers from your company to be able to approve the time or add clients or add team members, just come to your company settings, manage users, and you can invite your management team here. And you can see a breakdown of the different user types on the left. Admin users and standard users, these are your managers. These will have the same access to Teami that you have. Your team members will have a basic employee portal where they can just submit their time, but they cannot see any project financial information. And that is it. Any questions, please let us know.